Hi there, this is Mahdieh and I would like to briefly introduce Jessy, a conversational assistant for tutoring digital board games. In order to learn a new board game, there are many ways you can follow. While these approaches may be good for learning simple board games, may not be a good approach for more complex board games. Jessy is a conversational game tutoring assistant. He's able to answer to players' questions about the game in an interactive manner. He's also able to give player suggestion about their next best move. Jessy is also capable of informing players about important events in the game. Jessy is intelligent because he is not only aware of the game rules but also is aware of players' states in the game. We have done a study in order to gauge the impact of Jessy on players' engagement and learnability in a digital board game called the Royal Game of Ur. We have invited 10 participants in order to do so. The results show that Jessy was impactful on players' engagement, and the players have been able to answer to 77.5% of the questions, which were about basic rules of the game. There have been three questions frequently have been asked: how to play, what to do, how to win, which is completely aligned with previous work already done. As the Royal Game of Ur was a simple board game, we would like to evaluate Jessy with a more complex board game called Dark Soul, the board game. Thanks for listening.